Hey guys, it's Jason and welcome back to Telefonika Talks. If you're looking to purchase a middle ground budget Android smartphone, I'll strongly recommend the Samsung Galaxy A23. This device is a perfect gift idea if you're looking to gift someone a capable budget device this Christmas. The Samsung Galaxy A23 is a sizable Android device with quite a decent display and an equally large and long-lasting battery. Inside the box of the Samsung Galaxy A23 is some paperwork, a 15-watt power brick, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and a SIM ejector tool used to access the dual SIM slot of this device. The Samsung Galaxy A23 has a beautiful bright display. At the front you have a huge 6.6-inch Full HD plus 90Hz display. This display is big enough for enjoying games, watching videos, and journal use. I'm a big fan of this device having a 90Hz display, which means you're sure to have a smooth and fluid experience when navigating the user interface and when playing games. The Samsung Galaxy A23 is powered by a very capable Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset. The version I have here has 64 gigs of internal storage and 4 gigs of RAM. It's nice to know that this device has an expandable storage, which makes it super simple to upgrade the storage if the 64 gig is a little too less for you. This device has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor button that doubles as the power button, which is pretty straightforward. In terms of battery life, the Samsung Galaxy A23 boasts of a 5000 mAh battery. This simply enables the Galaxy A23 to be easily categorized in the multi-day range. This device may not support wireless charging for convenience, but will last a long while before needing a recharge. The A23 has some pretty decent cameras. It has 4 back cameras and a flash, and a front-facing camera. The back camera consists of a 50 megapixel sensor that also has optical image stabilization for better photos and video. I'm glad the A23 has a wide-angle sensor as well, which takes some pretty impressive images. The front camera consists of an 8 megapixel sensor which outputs pretty nice images as well. Overall, this device is a well-balanced mid-range smartphone that has an exciting display, a great chipset, impressive battery, pretty decent cameras, and the latest and greatest software. I think the Samsung Galaxy A23 makes a perfect gift for someone special this Christmas, and it will surely put a smile on that person's face. The Samsung Galaxy A23 is available across all Telefonika stores nationwide and can be purchased online as well. Thanks for watching to the end. I go by the name Jason. It's been Telefonika Talks. If you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribed so that anytime there's a new video, you will be alerted instantly. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.